So the other day we did a video. I was explaining how we did an EICR, and the person who we went and done an EICR for basically informed us that she recently had the fuse board upgraded, and then it come to light that when we was doing the tests, it didn't, because it had a rewirable fuse board, and the woman was under the impression that when they had the oven changed, the electrician they used to change the oven, who charged them 700 quid for the process, changed the fuse board as well, which I was meant to be doing. So here today, just changing the fuse board over, and trying to get costs down as best as possible, because she's paid for this already. So, all right, so managed to get a fuse board in. And yeah, so we put a split load in because we want to keep costs down, just make it nice and simple. So yeah, so there we go. Now we've got a compliant fuse board, so we can now do a satisfactory certificate. All right, so it's that time of year again. It's Christmas. Everybody wants a bloody socket. Right, okay. So yeah, so over at Le Minge at the moment again. Just putting in a couple of external sockets, so our client can finish off their Christmas decorations without having extension leads everywhere. So nice, quick, simple job. Basically tapped off of two separate sockets inside. And yeah, nice bit of armoured, clip around the side. The client didn't want it here because he was a bit concerned because of the driveway. That if he drove down here, he might clip the socket. So to keep him nice and happy, that's why we clipped it around the wall. To be honest, it is a bit of a tight driveway, so I don't blame him for being overly cautious. So yeah, so after this, we're back over to Ramsgate, and then we're down M&Co to do four emergency lights, and then yeah. But yeah, Christmas is well upon us now because the phone's not stopped ringing and it's flat out. All right, so back down Ramsgate, painters have come along down here, so it's looking like it's ready for second fix, which is good. So we'll probably get down here next week and start second fixing some of this stuff. I'll do first fix on the ground floor as well in a minute, because it's absolute carnage down there. So at the moment, so and then yeah, as always, you have a kitchen plan, then they decide to move things about. So I've got these little tweaks to the kitchen, so thank you very much. And yeah, so this is all good already. So brilliant.